Guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use portrait mode. After that, now you are going to be walking in. Remember, we are recording 2 videos here. You just take a stand here. You stand for some few seconds or some few minutes depending on what you want to achieve. All right. After that, you can now walk out. You can go and change your clothes. All right. After changing your clothes, now you walk in for the second time. Then you can go there and do as if you are checking something. All right. Then after some few seconds or some few minutes, you are going to be turning. Immediately you turn, you do as if you are surprised. Then you come down. After some time, now you can feel shock. Then after that, now you can now walk out. All right. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Welcome guys, as we create this amazing video together. At this point, you want to click on CapCut. You click on new project, import your video at the work or to the workspace. Look at that volume sign there. We're going to be clicking it as we silence the volume. Locate where you want this video to start from. From this point here, you are going to click it here now and make a split. Then you delete this first part. We don't need it again. Then you move. Before you walk out from the scene, then you are going to be clicking here again. Click here. Then you make another split. Then you go and locate the second character. Just go and locate that second character. All right. So at this point, you are going to be clicking here again. Then you make another split. Delete this middle part. All right. So at this point now, you are going to be coming back. Then you click on this one. You go and look for overlay. Locate overlay. Then you overlay this part. All right. You click it and drag it to the middle. Then you adjust it. Do your necessary adjustment. Okay. Just play it to see whether the whole acting, whether it rhyme. Then you do your necessary adjustment. But at this point, guys, 2 steps on how to create this video. The first step is you come and click it. All right. When you click it, you go and look for remove BG. All right. Then you click on remove BG. You click on auto remover. After removing it, then you come back. Now you click it. Then you click on splice. Then you use splice to do your disappearing. I have shown example of this in some of my past videos that I've created, but this night we are not using that method. All right. The method we are using now is you click here now. When you click this video, this second layer, you go and look for mask. Locate mask. All right. Go and look for mask. Then you click on mask here. You click on horizontal. All right. Then you turn this your line. Turn it. Then you place it at the middle. Just do your necessary adjustment. Then you play with this feather here. After that, you are going to be marking on this good and go back. Let us play it. Let us see what we have got so far. Look at the result of the video. But the video is not ready yet. We have not finished creating the video. Okay. So this is it. Then you are going to come back now. Then you still click on this second layer. The second layer. Then you click on animation. You click on fading. Click on fading. Then you can decide to adjust the fading in. After adjusting it, you mark on that good and go back. Look at how it's going to play now. Look at how it's good. Look at it. Then you allow it to play. We are still going to be adding something else at the closing part here. Still click it. Okay. We are clicking it again. All right. Click it again. Just click it again. Leave this. Later we will do the adjustment. Click it again and click animation again. Click animation for the second time. Click on that out there. Then you click on fade out. You mark on this good. Then you go back. So we are going to play it from the beginning. Let us see what we have got, whether there is some adjustment to make. So you calm down and play it. All right, let's see what we have got. Okay, just calm down. Yes, you can see that the shocking part and the disappearing did not align. Then you click it and drag it so that they will play together, they will align. Good. So this is nice. We are going to be marking out the unwanted part of the video. All right, so you are going to be clicking somewhere here. Locate your best place and make a split, delete the last part. So at this point, this video is ready. We are playing it from the beginning, but remember to add your sound effect and every other effect. After that, you export your video to your gallery. Maybe you don't know how to add your sound or every other effect. DM me, as my number is at the description of this video. Then I will put you through on how to add your necessary effects. And after that, you click on export now. Then you allow this video to export completely. As you can see, it's exporting. Now, this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. All right, but guys, tell us your opinion about this video. If you have any magic effects or CapCut tricks you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. Okay, if you love our video, you love what we are doing, smash your like button, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, if you're just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Stay safe.